Hello, welcome to Tech Hub. In today's lesson, we will learn about Google Slides. We will learn some basic features and how to prepare simple presentations using Google Slides. Google Slides is a professional or a powerful tool for preparing attractive and professional presentations. So without wasting much time and with this brief introduction, let's get started. Kindly make sure to watch the entire video, the full video, in order to understand this very important topic or lesson. So we begin with how to open slides. How to open slides. So to open slides, you need to select the Google Apps button this side. So once you click on this, you look for slides. This is slides. So you can move it upwards. You can move it here just to be comfortable, or yes, to be comfortable with it. So we click on the slides. So there are many templates we can choose from, or we can edit for our presentation. But since we are just starting, let's work with a blank template. Let's work with a blank template. So this is a blank template over here. Now there you go. So let's name our presentation. If you look at the top here, it's written on title presentation. So let's click here and name our presentation. So slides tutorial. That's the name of our presentation. Now on the right side of this slide, there are several themes you can choose from. So we have the simple light, simple dark, a lot of them, quite a lot of them that you can choose from. Yes. But in this tutorial, we will use the simple light theme. The simple light theme. Yes. So now let's see how to add content to our slide. Now we have our slide here, our first slide. Let's see how we can add content to this slide. So adding content is very easy. All you have to do is to click on the text box. This is a text box. So you click on this text box and start typing. So once you click on this text box, you can start typing. Yes. And once you are done, place your cursor in the next text box or anywhere on the screen. So this is our text box. Now let's enter our title. Google Slides tutorial. Google Slides tutorial. Now our subtitle, we'll name it episode 1. Yes, because we are going to have several episodes with this very presentation. So this is episode 1. We've entered content, or we've added content to our slide. Now the next is formatting. How do we format this text to make our work look very beautiful? So let's try and make our work look better by formatting the text and the background. Formatting the text and the background. So to do that, you need to select more. So sorry. So these are more. You have a lot of items here that we can several options that we can choose from to edit our text. So you can see the bold, this B stand from the bold, so we can bolden our text. So once you select this text box, you can bolden it. Have you seen the changes? You can bolden it. So we can use this bold to edit the text. Then the next is the italics. This is it. Italics. The italic, you can also click on the italic to change the presentation of this text. So now you see what has happened. Have you seen the change? So once you click on italic, it changes, and once you click again, it comes back to the original text. Now we have underline. So this is underline. You can also use underline to edit your text. So you click on underline, and it underlines the text for you. So we have the text color. Here we have the text color. You can change the text to any color you want it to be. Any color. Let's look at red. So your text, the color of the text has been changed to red. We have a lot of or several options that you can use to format your text or to make it look better. Now the last thing we will look at in this video is how to change the default background. The last thing we'll look at is how to change the default background. Now changing the background, the default background of your presentation to make it visually appealing is very important. To make your work very nice or beautiful, to make it appealing to your clients is very, very important. Now to do so, you need to come to this side. You look at the slide over here. Slide, you click on slide. Then you have new slide, duplicate slide, delete slide, skip slide, change background. So all we want to do is to change the background. So we click on change background. Now, change background. You can select your desired color or upload an image to use as your background. Okay, so here you look at color and image. So you can select either color or image to use as your background. So now let's use color. Let's use this. So once you click on the color, you come to done, and there you have it. So we've changed our slide background. This is very easy. So please take your time and watch the video again and again and again to understand how to change the background, or how to all this that we did from the beginning to get to know how to do it better. Now in our next video or in our next episode, we will look at some other important features of Google Slides. Thank you so much for watching, and watch out for our next episode. Thank you.